Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'll show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Zoho Mail. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go to your GoDaddy and click on the sign in button on the top right side. Then sign in onto your account, then click on domain on the left side right here. It will prompt you to this page. Now click on manage DNS and it will show you here this page. Then now we should open the Zoho Mail of yours and it will look just like so. And now we will have to copy these records. Here I have 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to copy the section just beside point 2 and the section just beside priority. And of course, the section beside the name. So all of them has the same name. So now I will go back to GoDaddy and I will click on add new record. Then here I will enter the type MX and the name and the priority I will start with 10, then copy the first name right here in the first record mx.zoho.com and paste it just right here. Then click on add another value double times because I will add here 20 and 50. Then copy these values, this in record 2 and in record 3, then paste them just right here. Then after finishing pasting these two links, just click on save. And when you scroll down, you will find them added just down below right here. And you'll just have to wait for about 24 hours till they get approved and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.